subscribe and hit the bell to get notified for more amazing tutorials that are yet to come. Link to the same tutorial on Filmora 8 is in the description below. Step 1. Okay, so I have this video here, and around this point I'm gonna take a screenshot of this. Here we have our screenshot, so basically take a screenshot from your video. Step 2. Now drag the screenshot into the timeline. Then go to the effect section here, and then into the common tab. Here select the black and white filter and then drag and merge it with the screenshot. Remember to put it on the screenshot and not above it. You will see this FX sign here once it's merged. Now redrag the screenshot in front of the old one. Now we have one in black and white and one with the original color. Go to the transitions tab and here in the search, write COL. You will see this color distance transition. Now put it between the two clips here like this. So now if you play it, it will look something like this. Now export this into a video. Step 3. Import the just made transition clip and then drag it onto the timeline. Now use a green screen book image like this one and put it above the main clip like a PIP. Link to download this book image is in the description below if you want it, or you can make one of your own. Now double click on this book image and here you will see this chroma key option. Check the box here and here make the offset as per your liking. I am going with 2%. Now double click on the main clip. Then here in the transform section, adjust the size and the position of the clip so that it will properly fit inside the book. Something like this. Once this is done, export this into a video. Step 4. Now import the just created book clip and then drag it back onto the timeline. Now you can skip this step if you want to, this is just optional. Now right click on the clip and then go to its crop and zoom. Go to the pan and zoom section and then click on the inner box and then adjust the ratio at this level. Something like this. This will actually give your video that slow zoom in effect like the Sam Kolder ones. Now export this into a video. Now import the main clip that we have just created and then drag it back onto the timeline. Now put the main video from which we have taken the screenshot in front of the book clip. Now go to the point where we have taken the screenshot and then go a few frames backward. Now split the clip here and delete the before portion if any remaining is there. Now right click on the main video and then go to the speed and duration. Now I am making this a bit fast as this step is kinda optional, as you can also use your video in a normal speed the way you recorded. But I am going for the fast pace. Now go to the first clip and then there, go to the part where the color transition happens. Now go some seconds forward after the end of the transition and then split the clip there and delete the rest. Now join both the clips together and then go to the transition tab. And here go to this warp section. And now here we have this warp 7 transition. Now put it between the two clips. Now slightly trim the duration. And then at the first point where the warp transition starts, split the first clip like this. And now at the point where it ends, split the second clip like this. Now select the first trim portion and go to its crop and zoom. Now adjust how much of it you want and then click OK. Now go to the crop and zoom for the second trim portion and then adjust the zoom accordingly. But wait, after the zoom ratio is set, simply here, click on this reverse icon and then click OK. Now basically our effect is done, but some further add-ons can be put in. Like this chromatic effect between the transitions that give it that slightly glitchy feel, adjusting his fade and offset according to your choice. And now you can export this into a video. So guys, what are your thoughts on this video? Let me know in the comment section below, and if you think that this video is worthwhile, then hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that I can able to bring amazing videos like this for you. Till then, see you later.